Today, today I'm going to look at the technical indicator. But before I go there, I would like to shed small light on what we've discussed yesterday. So what we discussed is that we have 7 questions on yesterday class. 7 good questions. So what are the questions that I asked yesterday? I asked a lot of questions yesterday from the group chats here. This is the question now. What is the TP for a long position whose limit order is set at 5? So all of this question entail. Some of us TP is what first? TP is take profit. So what will be the TP for a long position whose limit order is at $5? So you can, the answer there is 5.1 and above. So if you put anything 6, 7, 8, 9, you are correct. The idea is that you must not put anything lower than 5. That is the answer for that. So the next one is explain isolation and cross margin. Very simple thing that. So what is isolation and cross margin? As simple as I said yesterday, isolation simply means that the amount you put in your trade will be the one that you will use, the trade will use. It will not exceed it. It will not go and take from the balance. Simple as that. In isolation margin, the amount of fund you use to trade is anything the trader allocate for such trade. But in cross margin, your balance on the balance in your account will be used. So not only what you allocate for the trade will be used. Anything that's in your balance will be used for cross margin trading. As simple as that. What's the best margin mode for a future trading cryptocurrency beginner? Simple answer: isolation margin mode. That's the best one for beginner. What is SL for a short position whose limit order is set at $3? is what's the SL, that was stop loss for a short position whose limit order is set at $3. Very simple question. The stop loss for a short position whose limit order is set at $3. First of all, we should remind ourselves what is SL. SL is stop loss. What is short position? Short position is that you are shorting the market. You short simply means you want to make profit while the market is going in reverse order. So a token is currently selling at $7 now. So you want to short it. You are saying that this token will come down to $5 or $4 now. So as the coin is coming down, you are making your profit. So what will be your stop loss? In such case, if the market is going down, that's when you gain. But if it's going up, you are not gaining. So you are supposed to your stop loss now will be when the token is going up. Now if the limit order is $10, your SL now will be anything from $3.1. Anything from $3.1 is your SL. So your SL, that's your stop loss, is anything from $3.1. That's above. You can have 4, 5, 6, 7 as your stop loss. That is stop loss. So briefly explain limit order. Simple thing. Limit order. What is limit order? Limit order is a type of order that you use to specify the certain price you want your order to pick. That's the certain, you have your liberty to choose exact price where you want your trade to begin. Unlike others like market order, which pick the current amount of the current price of the token. This limit order allow you to choose. Now, for instance, if a token is at $3 and you want to buy a long, then you cannot set the limit order to like 2.8 or 2.9. This tell you that immediately the coin come down to 2.8, it should start. The trade should start. Then as it's going back to 3, 4, 5, you're already in profit. That's the essence of limit order. It give you liberty to choose your price, the price you want to choose. I'm giving this assignment so that we can get familiar and know that this is not a joke. In this current or present Nigeria, nothing comes easy. So if you're actually interested in making it, you need to put some effort. And that is the sincere truth. Nobody knows it all. So what is isolation mode? I've explained it earlier. Isolation mode is when the trade, the amount you allocate for a trade is the only thing that's being used by the trade. What can you say about future cryptocurrency trading? I've said it in the class yesterday. Future cryptocurrency is just forward buying and selling of the token. You have an idea of what will happen in the future, and then you trade it. That is just what future cryptocurrency trading is all about. You have a token or a project now. It's currently selling at $2, but you know that it's going to be it's going to like $7 or $8. Then you trade it, hoping for it to come there, and you leverage on what the platform will give you, and that's how you use leverages. So future cryptocurrency is all about, just like the name future cryptocurrency trading, is all about having a feature of any project. Like a token now, you can just predict this token is going to be a nice project, this token is going to be a bad project. So anything you give the token is what you trade about it. So that is that. I want to show us some few things today before I close. I will not the today's trade will not take much time because I'm not seeing some response. So I don't want to waste much of my time. I want to be trading my token and make sure I get my money. So the only thing I will show us in this training is when we get to the app, and I just hope people will still follow me by that time. Then I'll show us how to do this trading together. I'm sure we can all set up our account now. So what I'll be showing us today is the indicators. I'll go to my Bybit app. This is my Bybit app. On this app now, you can see that we have BTC USDT. I will not teach you how to choose any other token. Yeah. Now, so this is it. If you want to choose any token, just come here. Use it. So, but I want to teach us the indicator on this chart today. And as I said earlier in the banner, so we are going to deal with Bollinger, moving averages, and volumes. We are going to look at volume. There's no volume on this place. We have volume on Binance. So we have moving averages, volume here. Bolingo, EMA, MA, and then again I'm checking. So we're checking the stop and reverse. Very important. SAR. The SAR is another type of the indicator that we'll be looking at this night. So there's this one that I'm very, very particular about, and I want us to know it, which is the Bollinger. Bollinger is very, very important. The Bollinger band, Bollinger indicator is responsible for showing us the overbought and oversold in market. It's a type of price envelope developed by John Bollinger. So I'm showing you what Bollinger looks like. So this is what Bollinger looks like. If you want to, this is what you call when you see you have BOLL under here. When you click it, you see this chart you are seeing here now. This chart now, you see the way they are now, right? You will see them change. New difference is the Bollinger. So I'm going to show you now how to tap on it, and I will explain the oversold and overbought pattern of the Bollinger. Now let's click on this BOLL now. Can you see it? Let me take it off again. Take it on again. Take it off. Then go again like this. Take it off. Take it on. So it's on now. If you can see the blue that's forming some kind of image, this is the Bollinger. The major work of this Bollinger is to tell you when a token is overbought. A token is overbought or is oversold. And you know what happens if a token is overbought? If a token is overbought, the next thing that happens is dip. If a token is oversold, the next thing that happens is up, up movement. So this Bollinger help you enough to check the movement properly. Now I will show something now. In this page now, you can see clearly that around this point now I'm touching is around 25,758. You see, it clearly shows that the BTC is showing some small rate of overbought around this place. You see the chart go up. Chart went up here. You can see clearly. Chart went up. Then what happened next? It fall down. Fall to lost significant words from almost 25945 to like 25875. Yes. So that's typical example of overbought. You see overbought. Go back here and check now. See this pot shows that some people are buying the BTC there too much. You see, so clearly you see that the token was bought somehow around it. They were overbought around this place, and there's no how you want to do it. The next thing is just to come down before you go up again. So this is overbought. This is a typical example of overbought. So let's check for oversold. Oversold is when you have it coming down of this nature now. This one you have here now. Depict a small oversold around there. The Bollinger came, then rise again around 25.7. Shows that the market is the token is being oversold somehow, and when it's oversold too much, you see it bounce up. So the Bollinger helps a lot. It helps a lot. Once you bring it on, you can quickly get your state, what the market is actually saying at the particular time. You can see an overbought pattern here. The overbought pattern here. Immediately there it overbought around there, it came down. Immediately you can see that Bollinger is displaying overbought. Be prepared for a small retrace. No matter how, you must have a retrace. So if you have this now, you can easily trade with enough experience. So that is your Bollinger. So I want to the another thing that you can see in the chart most of the time is the moving averages. The moving averages, they are not really, they are like figures. Let me take off the Bolingers. Bolingers are out. So the moving averages are in already. You can see something are missing now. They are out. The moving averages are out now. Some things are missing. So let me bring it on again. So the moving averages are back now. So you can see the average movement is around 26327. You see the trade lines that depict the moving averages. If you see, if you watch it properly, when I take it in, you have three lines. You have the yellow, the blue, and the purple for the moving averages. MA7, MA14, and MA28. There are rules in this. Anytime you see the purple, that it is the one that is under. There may be some bull run is coming. This MA28 is purple here. Once it's under, there must be some bull run. If you check the pattern, the movement, the purple depict the average movement. So far I've realized that the MA28 is the most important of the movement averages. Anytime you find it going below, be ready that the market is going to move well. Another thing I will try to touch this time before I go is the volume. I think the volume is not what you see in the volume is that this is moving average volume here. Some people on other exchange you can see volume alone. So you click on it now, you see the bar showing here, showing you the volume. The volume is not that much. See, the volume are flat. So we have a small volume 116.796. So the volume is even red. So it shows that there are not much volume for now, but there's still hope for increased volume. Once you have enough volume, you can be rest assured that the market will pick up, and your bull can be. You can now rely on. You can now have mind that you can now trust yourself that this market is going to boom. If you don't have that, if you don't have enough volume, then there's nothing you can use to sustain the trade. That is why volume is one of the important indicator we use. I don't want to waste much of our time, so I will just take questions under this post here on YouTube here. Please kindly drop your questions as comment here so I can reply them. And if you are not using Google, you are using you are just anonymous on this channel now, you can go to the WhatsApp group chat and send me the questions. This market is not supported with volume. There's no volume. The volume is very low, so it's not certain that this token is going to have a high chance of going up now. So it's coming down. It's coming down. The probability of coming down. It going up is very rare because there's no volume to support this trade, support the market. So if you want to trade any coin now, if you have the coin going up and you check the volume, you see that the volume is in red, like just like this one. The volume is in red here now, and it's not showing significant figure, like people are not that much. So so in that regard you just in that regard you just be very careful of that market, and be in fact I would advise that the market, if you are already in profit in such market, just leave the market straight, because anything that makes the market not to have profit, not to have volume, unless you are shorting the market, short the market, you are doing well, because you have high probability of the market going the reverse way. That's shorting the market will be the best thing to do. For a market without volume, the coin will go down. So those are the three things I will tell us today. What I want to tell us again is this app that I'm using now. This app has welcome bonus, and I want us to use the welcome bonus to start trading from the beginning. It needs to give us $10. So if you have a referral, so I'll give you guys my referral link so that you can all get the $10. So we'll now start using $10 to trade. The $10 we start to use it to trade. So, but I want us to know all these things first. Let's know how we can set the account up. If that's not a problem for you, you can read the chart. uh, if you can read the chart, then can you understand signal if I send it? So these are the things I've taught us how to set up our account. So I would like to see if we're actually following, so that we can go to the practical aspect of it. I know that's what many people are waiting for, just to make money. But how do you make money when you don't know how to do it? You're all expecting to just come and pick it here. No, you need to know, you need to put in the work. Now this is long and short now, and it's not the same thing like you have in the Binance. So if you want to set your account now, I need to still show you. This is trade now. You see it. You see you have cross here now. Available USDT now. You don't have anything here. BTC. See the current price there. Buy or long. You see almost the same thing with Binance. So we can even start with demo trading here. So I don't want to exceed 1 hour for this today's trade. So I don't want to start at all. So this is our demo trade now. So I will employ us tomorrow. Tomorrow I will give us the listing. Then we'll see what we can do with the demo account first. If we can grow the demo account, then we can start with the live account. I want us to do this together, but people are not serious. I want some people to be serious. Once we are serious, we'll be able to do this thing together. So this is the trading phase. This is the long, this is the short. Sell is short, buy is long. So I would like to see, to have questions, and I'll try as much as possible to answer them. Today, what I want us to know in particular is just the Bollinger indicator. This is the chart again now. This is Bollinger. See the Bollinger. Bollinger is the blue one, and those shape it makes. The up shape, anywhere you see sudden up movement, up shape, protrude up, that is over overbought, right? That's overbought. Up, if you have up, that's overbought. Anytime you have overbought, so you'll be expecting that. You see now the Bolingo is not want to form now. It's trying to form at this edge now. So it's going as if it's getting sold somehow. This is BTC, but it has not curved. It has not curved complete. Once it can curve complete now, it will give us perfect shape to see if it's extreme oversold or just a little oversold. So if a little oversold, you can still go more. But if it's extreme already, you see it. The next thing you see is up movement. So then next thing I show you guys is the volume. See the volume here. Marvel is the volume. You see the volume. The volume will show you the signal of the current market. See, this volume is in red volume. Maybe most of them are not. You don't have enough liquidity here now. So you have lesser volume. Once you have low volume, you have a low chance of getting the up movement. So that is volume. The movement average, these three colors. Three color. We clean the ball now. See this is now. These three colors, they are the green, the yellow, blue, and purple lines. They are the movement averages of the token. So there are some theories around these movement averages. Maybe tomorrow I will come and bring those theories, and there are plenty. But the one I want us to know is the purple line. This purple line, that's the MA28 line. This one here, MA28 line here. So the one of the theories says, I will just use the Nigeria balance for it. Once the purple line knows, or is the one that is at the last, like here now it's crossing the blue. Anytime it is last, it's facing down, then you have probability of a bull run, having the chance of your token going upward now. So that is that. Subscribe and follow this channel, then ask your questions, and I'll say try as much as possible to explain better. Thank you for today.